So China, President Xi Jinping and military to ballistic missile in a hypersonic to targeting the Philippine city and seize to the World War III. Kasi alam naman natin ang Philippines, Japan, America, the Australia, or anything the trade and defense the battle of China war in Russia to Iran. Di ba? Sa fake loser, doon natin malalaman kung totoo talaga silang help. Tutulungan talaga ng Japan, ng Amerika, ng Australia, ng Canada, ang Philippines. Battle and war on China. So pag pinasabog ng China ang Philippine Sea or Pacific Sea, doon natin malalaman kung totoo talaga ang kanilang relationship. O very frankly and a liar to illegal over the damage to world and abandonment. Kaya hindi nag-change ang life ko dahil sa mga impactos na itong mga hinadupak na ito eh. Over the religion and most must go to hell. Fuck you!